here?
David.
And what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. Whose idea was this?
That one.
Her fault if this goes wrong.
It is Caroline.
So, we celebrating anything? It's her birthday, right?
Her birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we don't make it to her next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
I love you.
She loves us.
Tons of love.
This is your fault.
It's your fault. For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it. Buried in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a Skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. Let's get in this thing. Get up, get out, rock a Skydive. Go have some fun. High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Yeah. Woo! Down.
Do I want
Pull
to?
down. Let me see.
Oh my God! Stop it! No! Okay.
All the way up. Okay. Eyes will go.
I'm so sorry. I'm good. Actually,
Relax.
I'm actually okay.
You're okay. Here we go. Welcome back. Woo! That was weird. High five. Woo! Yeah! We did it. You have fun?
Yeah, I had
You gonna
so
do that
much
again
fun.
someday? You did amazing.
I think I will do.
What was your favorite part? She's like,
I
none
like
of
the
it.
parachuting part.
Yeah, you like riding the parachute.
Yeah.
You did great. Come back
I
to
like
me
feeling
again.
like I'm gonna die too. That
Skydive,
was
Colorado
a new
Springs.
feeling.
This could be you.